New arrivals this week. How about the 1974 Chevrolet Camaro Type LT Z28? Last year for the Z28. For 2 years. Anyway.
Right.
They didn't make them in 75. They didn't make them in 76.
Oh, is that right?
And they made them in 77.
Okay.
77, they didn't have the bulging hood scoop. It was just the painted on, looked like a hood scoop. But my buddy had one. It was a 4-speed in chocolate brown. And it had like a 373 rear end. It would go from 0 to 60 and quick like crazy. But 80 was just like... Right. You hearing that fan?
Picking it, yep.
Well, how'd that happen?
That is one of your biggest fans, you know.
There it is, on the floor.
But
your biggest fan's on the floor.
Yeah. So how about the Camaro Type LT Z28 1974? Medium red metallic over saddle, sporty and luxurious, rebuilt 350 cubic inch V8, Tremec 5-speed manual. So that's kind of a, obviously you wouldn't get a 5-speed manual in 1974. Right.
I don't know.
Little feedback.
I don't know. All I did was, I mean,
they were 4-speed.
The LT was new to me. I didn't know there was an LT model,
Yeah.
so that was interesting.
And the Hotchkiss front suspension. Oh, this has a 373 posi axle too, 10 bolt. So.